Welcome to Fidelz, your go-to place for softwares, tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. Ever felt like you were stuck trying to figure out a new software? Want to unlock hidden features that make your work faster and easier? That's exactly what I'm here for. I've spent years exploring different software tools, learning the ins and outs, so you don't have to. My goal is to make your experience smoother so you can focus on creating instead of struggling with complicated tools. From beginner-friendly guides to pro-level hacks, I'll help you work smarter, not harder. So, at Fidelz, I break down powerful software tools step by step, showing you how to master them with ease. Whether it's animation, video editing, or design, I've got you covered. Plus, I'll help creators grow their channels, offering tips on how to stand out, get more views, and build an engaged audience. So if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification, and let's explore the world of software together.